is almost over as the 2018 Formula One season will kick off this weekend with the Australian Grand Prix in Melbourne. For the 23rd consecutive year, Mercedes AMG will be in charge of providing the official safety car for the most important motorsport event of them all. The long-lasting tradition started back in 1996 with the C36 AMG, and now for 2018, the GTR is ready to claim the title for the most powerful F1 safety car of all time. Armed with a biturbo 4.0-liter V8 engine packing 577 horsepower, the GTR follows the lesser GTS version used during the 2015 through 2017 seasons. Once again, behind the wheel of F1's official safety car will be Bernd Mayländer, who is very eager to drive what he describes as being his new company car. Compared to a standard GTR, the safety car version comes fitted with the optional track package encompassing ceramic brakes and a rollover protection system. The supercar has also received an F1-specific livery and a roof-mounted light bar positioned on an air scoop made from carbon fiber and optimized in the wind tunnel to provide the best possible aerodynamic efficiency.